the differentiation between the mozzarella and the cheddar cheese. We're gonna cut all the way down with our knife. Be gentle. And now we've got a beautiful stack of cheese here. And we're gonna take this stack right on over to our flour, and we're gonna bread it. See what we're doing here? I'm gonna get it evenly coated. Use your hands and get it tucked into all those crevices, into the egg wash. Standard breading procedure, flour, egg wash, and breadcrumbs. Use your hands to kind of wash. All right, we've got this evenly coated in our panko. Shake off the excess. And now holding the skewers very gently, we're gonna go into a 350-degree oil. All right, let's remove this from the oil. Nice and crispy now. All right, our cheesy fried cheese here. Now we're gonna remove these skewers. I'm gonna cut this open. Cut this open just like a sandwich. It's very, very melty and gooey on the inside. Beautiful, but we still got the differentiation between the mozzarella and the cheddar cheese, some ranch dressing. Spread that out with a spoon, get full coverage all over that cheese. And now we're gonna finish it off with some chives and a little bit of parsley. And now I'm gonna grab our garlic heads and take it on to the next step. I've got some roasted garlic here. I'm gonna put it right into this melted butter and olive oil. Cap it off, shake it up to infuse that garlic. And we're gonna baste this bread here. Nice and flavorful. We can use that residual butter and oil for another application. Now we're gonna get this evenly coated. All right. So now we're gonna take the bottom half right over here. I've got cheddar and mozzarella cheese. This is gonna go onto the bottom. And now we're gonna take a little bit of this garlic oil and paint it right onto the cheese. And now we've got some chives here. Sprinkle that right on. That's gonna melt into the cheese and infuse it with that chive flavor. And now we've got our ribs here. Remove these bones. Look how tender this is. They pop right out. All right, now that all the bones are removed, we've got a buttery barbecue glaze here, right over the top. And now we've got an herb cream cheese. We've got summery herbs in here. Fantastic. Caramelized onions, jalapenos, red and green, and let's alternate. And now we're gonna take this onto the oven to bake it off. All right, this is nice and toasty, straight from the oven. It smells fantastic. We're gonna put it on our board here, top it off with some chives for some extra flavor. Finishing off with some chives. And now I'm gonna grab the cheese for our fried cheese. Look at this, we're just gonna top this off. So we've got fried cheese on the top, garlic bread on the bottom,